Open the Rico Design software. It should be pinned to the taskbar when logged into the Makerspace desktop. Select Advanced Designer. Select the options that best describe your project. You will see a white workspace with grid marks on it. This correlates to the tray you will load your garment onto. Select Import Image. Follow the prompts to locate and upload your chosen design. Using the options on the right side, you can edit your image as needed. You can also drag the corners of the design to resize it. Click and drag the design to move it around the workspace. Take note of where you place it on the grid. This is where it prints on the physical tray. When you're happy with your sizing and placement, click Print Save. The only selectable printer is the Rico RI100. This is correct. Choose your print quality. The speed option takes about 30 seconds. Fine is a richer print and takes about 2 minutes. Vivid is the most intense, but takes about 5 minutes. Select Print. Your image has now been sent to the printer. If you want to print multiples of this design, select Print one more, and repeat once this entire process has been completed. Otherwise, select Back to Top. Gently pull out the tray. Pinch and lift the front clip to open the tray. Take note of the R's on the grid. These show you which way your garment should be placed on the tray to print the correct way up. Place the top of your garment on the short edge with the R for Portrait, or place it on the long edge with the R for Landscape. Now lay your garment over the tray. Think about where you placed your design on the digital grid and where that area sits on your garment now. Make sure your garment is nice and flat. You don't want it stretched too tight or crinkled up loosely. Tuck all excess material in the cavity under the platen. Close the lid of the tray. Take note of this white line. That's how far you want to push in the tray. Gently load the tray into the printer. Press Start. The printer will scan the tray to check it's all good and then start printing. The in-person section of this induction will cover what to do if an error pops up here. Once the print is complete, the tray will be pushed out and sit idle. Pull it out and place on a table. Open the tray. Now remove your garment. Be very careful when doing this, as the ink is still wet and may offset onto other parts of the garment. It needs to be heat set to become permanent. Use the heat press to set the ink. The in-person section of this induction will cover how to safely use the heat press. And just like that, you have finished your print. Easy. Remember, if you ever have any questions, you can make an appointment or drop by a Makerspace help desk session.